So this is a collaborative space in this greater room of creating this future focused learning environment. There's a few key elements that we've focused on in this particular space. We've got storage, which is super important in any learning environment. So it's definitely something we wanted to bring to the forefront of people's minds when they think about designing learning spaces. This table is called Sunshine on a Cloudy Day. It's actually a flip table, so it can be used as a whiteboard as well as a table. But the beautiful thing about this table is the shape of it, which allows all types of learners to collaborate. So it's been very specifically designed to focus on these kinds of shapes, with that side having a much smaller area to it, which means an individual learner that doesn't like to sit close to the group but still needs to collaborate has their space in learning and can still collaborate with the greater group, but in a place and a space that they feel comfortable, which again is completely the philosophy around our design. Again, we've brought in rideable surfaces to the back as well as a carpeted surface. The carpeted surface we'll talk about a bit more when we go to our STEAM space, but it's Velcro receptive, it's pinnable, and it's also got a sensory function to it as well as having some acoustic properties. This is our testing screen. So this is a new product that we've actually come up with, which is very specifically designed to be able to facilitate testing. And our whole mantra for bringing out this product was we want to break down any barrier that a school has to creating a collaborative learning environment. So it's a really nifty, neat little product that folds in on itself like this. And then you can put it up, and you've turned a collaborative space into a testing environment just by putting the screen on. We've incorporated some acoustic panels back here. Again, these are Velcro receptive, pinnable, they've got acoustic property, and they're also great for display in schools as well. But they're an incredible acoustic value to any space. If we walk down here through the space, I'll take you over to the STEAM section. This is also a new product that we are launching here at EdSpaces. We've come up with a brand new STEAM range, and the whole philosophy again around this design is we want to make STEAM accessible to everybody. So there is a couple really important factors that we've come up with in STEAM. Storage is hugely important. The ability to facilitate multiple types of tasks that go with STEAM, so science-based tasks, incorporating technology, engineering, arts, mathematics. We have a top system that works with our workbench over here, and each one of those tops has got a very specific function. So we've got a chemical resistant top, we have got a ply top, a rideable surface top, and a standard top. And just by picking up those tops and attaching them to the work surface, they've got a carpeted back which matches this one, and they attach with hook and loop, and very easily the user can come in, take a top to suit the type of task that they're doing. In addition, we've got this bench which has got this hardware and carpet surface, storage opportunities underneath, and the brilliant thing is that all of our accessories and components actually stick on to the surface. So what it allows the user to do is to come in very quickly, select the materials that they need to complete that specific task, create the workbench around themselves that they need. There's power modules here as well, so everything can fit very safely and securely into the channel. This is an iPad holder. We've got pen ledgers over here. And the storage, which also you can put the tops onto the storage, so it creates extra work surfaces. So the whole system together really allows an educator and the learner to come in and facilitate their task for that specific period of time that they're doing. We've got cutting mats and individual whiteboard pieces as well as the pegboards for the tool holders. So we feel just in this one little section here, any type of STEAM activity can go on, from science experiments to engineering to any type of like hands-on inquiry-based learning task. Part of the STEAM system is incorporating these collaborative spaces as well. Take you guys over now to the center. very specifically chosen these colors for the center of the room because we want people to walk into the space and feel the impact that we're trying to achieve out of it. This is designed to be our campfire community space where the whole group gathers together, shares ideas, feels that sense of community and learns from each other. And this is the key element in the space for us, because if we look at a school, this is where the day begins and ends, you know, when everybody gathers together and can sit around and share ideas. So for us, everything happens in the center of this space. We've got the grassy dome in the middle of it as well as a center point, because we really want people to be drawn to what is happening here in the center of the room.